My name is Roy Sproul. I'm number 1 and team leader of the Silver Falcons, and my military call sign is Cougar.
Hi, my name is Heibrach van Niekerk. I'm the number 2 in the team and my call sign is Valiant.
My name is Buti Tebe. I was born in Rustenburg and my call sign is Karima.
I'm Bo Scarter and my call sign is Dusty.
G'day, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Westhuizen. I'm the Tourism and Marketing Manager at the South African Air Force Museum. We were privileged this year to have a film crew that put together a DVD of the Airshow, and we wish to show that to the public. Funds generated by this project will pay for some of our restoration projects, such as the Patsy Dawn, our Mustang, and also one of our helicopters, the Sikorsky, that we would like to repair and get back into a flying condition. We wish to extend the invitation to all of those to come and visit the South African Air Force Museum. We have a monthly flying day every first Saturday of the month, so I would like to see you there. At the SAAF Museum, we want to say, keep them up where they belong.